Good soup. You want to try it, Toby? This is so weird. What are you doing? What are you doing? Also, North River colors are so crazy right now. It's amazing.
Good morning. Good morning from Toby too. It's another really hot day and we are gonna tackle one of the longer hikes on the island. It is North River Falls. We've done it a bunch of times, but we've never done it in fall. So that's what we're gonna do now.
We did the Little Falls last year and it's so pretty. And this hike is probably about, what would you say, 6 hours maybe? This is ridiculous. Look at the colors. Look at that mountain in there.
We are about 7 kilometers into the trail now, and basically the trail kind of just goes up the main river and then branches off like once or twice. I think it's like 2 different times. And we're getting to a part that you're kind of going along the rock edge and it's a little slippery, so make sure you bring good hiking shoes. I think that's all I want to say. Also, we just ran into 2 hikers that are from Newfoundland and watch our YouTube videos, which was super sweet, and they said hi. So if you ever see us on a trail or something, say hi. It just made my day. Let's go. We made it! Look!
Cheers. Woo. We have spent way too much time here and we still not went up to the top. I think it might be another hike out in the dark kind of night. You ready to hike out in the dark? Again?
Wouldn't want it any other way. People probably think we're crazy because we are.
I really hope they don't lock the gate on us.
Yeah, we're taking too long. We're the type of hikers that we can hike pretty quickly, but then we take a bunch of time eating snacks and taking photos, so overall we hike longer.
It'll be okay.
I mean, we're hiking out in the dark.
We gotta go to the top still.
Hopefully the gate's not locked. This is amazing. We are here on such a good day. Oh my god. Like, they look huge when you're down there. And then when you get up here, you realize that they just keep going. There's 2 other parts to it. It's hard. You are so crazy.
We have been doing this hike for 5 hours now, and it just hit 5 o'clock. We have about an hour and 20 minutes of daylight left, so we're definitely getting out in the dark. How are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm good. Just not looking forward to this hike out.
It's worth it.
It is worth it, 1,000,000,000%. I mean,
Getting real spooky. That looks so cool. And we're back. 7 hours. Really hoping the gate is still open. I'm starving. The gate was open and we made it home. More hiking tomorrow. Time for some nudes. Much better than coffee this morning, huh? There you go. Okay, Andy, you can eat yours. You can eat yours. It's over there. Wrong way.
job well done.